If you're seeing Capcut error code 4002, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error can show up for a few different reasons, but the good news is that most of the time it comes down to your connection, your device settings, or not having enough storage available. So stick with me, and by the end of this video, you should be able to get Capcut working again without the frustration. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Capcut often relies on cloud servers for effects, templates, assets, and other features. So if your Wi-Fi is weak or unstable, that can trigger error code 4002. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching it off and back on again, or move closer to your router. If possible, test another network to see if the issue is with your current connection. If you're using mobile data, make sure your signal is strong and stable. A simple internet reset can solve more Capcut problems than you might expect. Once your connection is stable, open Capcut again and see if the error is still there. If it is, the next thing to try is turning off hardware acceleration, especially if the error is happening when you're exporting a video on desktop. Hardware encoding can sometimes cause export failures depending on your device, graphics settings, or system compatibility. To do this in the Capcut desktop app, open the menu, go into Settings, then click Performance. Look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding and uncheck it. After that, save your settings and restart Capcut. This forces the app to use a different processing method, and that often clears up export-related error code 4002 issues. If you are stuck during rendering or exporting, this step is especially important. Now, if the problem still isn't fixed, check your storage space. Capcut needs enough free room on your phone or computer to create temporary files, cache data, and render your project properly. If your device is almost full, the app may fail and show an error like 4002. Go through your storage and delete any unused files, old videos, duplicate downloads, or large apps you no longer need. On a computer, you may also want to empty the recycle bin or trash folder. On a phone, clear out photos, videos, and app cache where possible. Once you've freed up enough space, close Capcut completely and reopen it. That fresh restart is important because the app may not recognize the new available storage until it reloads. After doing that, try your project again and check whether the error is gone. In many cases, one of these three fixes will solve the problem right away: a stronger internet connection, disabling hardware acceleration, or freeing up storage. If you want the fastest route, start with the internet check, then move to the export settings, and finally clean up your storage. Those are the most common causes and the most effective fixes for Capcut error code 4002. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having issues, let me know in the comments what device you're using and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it further. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.